Python Gspread CellNotFound exception error. I want to check whether if a cell value exists in my sheet. If the cell exists, it will return yes, and if it doesn't, it will return no. The above code works for the true segment but does not work if false, and it returns an error gspread.exceptions.cellNotFound column test. I tried adding an exception, except gspread.exceptions.cellNotFound column, but it still does not work. Any clue in what's wrong with this code?
You want to search the cell on a sheet in spreadsheet using a text. You want to achieve this using spread with Python. You have already been able to get and put values for spreadsheet with Sheets API. If my understanding is correct, how about this answer? Please think of this as just one of several possible answers. Pattern 1. When cell equals sheet.find, test, is used, when test cannot find in the worksheet, an error of spread.exceptions.cellNotFound column test occurs. Although I cannot understand about I tried adding an exception, except spread.exceptions.cellNotFound column, but it still does not work. I think that your approach is correct. So can you test the following script? Sample script. Pattern 2. When cells equals sheet.findAll, test, is used, when test cannot find in the worksheet, an empty array is returned. In this pattern, this is used. Sample script. Note: if above scripts didn't work, can you post your whole script? By this, I would like to confirm it. Of course, please remove your personal information. References: finding a cell. Finding all matched cells. If I misunderstood your question and this was not the direction you want, I apologize.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.